Hey everyone, I'm back again, and today we're talking Chat GPT. I'm on the bandwagon. I'm ready to get into the legal issues involved with this amazing new technology that I think will revolutionize the future of content creation, of art, of design, of all creative work, all non-creative work, coding, whatever it might be. This is going to change everything. Let's go. So we're talking Chat GPT. If you haven't heard about this, this is the new chat bot that was developed by OpenAI, a company that has been founded by some of the biggest names in Silicon Valley. Elon Musk is part of it. Sam Altman, who was the president and who ran Y Combinator for many years. This is mind-blowing. All right, guys, let me just tell you, I had a chance to sign up and use it before they've restricted it now. I tried logging in today and you can't even get in anymore. And it is crazy. I was able to write 4 blog posts in 30 minutes using the Chat GPT framework. I typed in prompts on here's what I want to write about, make it SEO optimized, and it spit out a 5-bullet blog post in a matter of seconds. This is crazy and a little bit scary because I'm just wondering, okay, this is the tip of the iceberg. This is not even the tip. This is the snow on top of the tip of the iceberg that we are just seeing now, the capabilities of this. I mean, I haven't even explored the coding capabilities, all the art issues involved. You know, we have all this AI generated art happening right now, and it has a lot of people wondering, how is this going to affect the industry? How is this going to affect content creation? How is this going to affect IP rights going forward? And I'll tell you this, not much is going to change for a while when it comes to the law. The law is slow moving and usually is always playing catch up, okay? Technology moves way too fast. The law is designed to move slowly, methodically, and reason things out, have cases, have people go back and forth, have cases go up the court system, and it takes a long time, and then those decisions are oftentimes relitigated later on. You think about abortion, you think of all these issues that have been front and center for how many years now. This is going to be the same with AI and what we're seeing today. So when it comes to Chat GPT, it is an amazing technology. I encourage everyone to check it out, but there are a lot of nuanced legal issues that will be presenting themselves in the years to come. If you're a creator, if you're an artist, if you are a coder, if you are in computer science, if you're doing anything, it's still very, very important and very relevant to protect your IP. That means trademarks, that means copyrights, that means patents. But the enforcement of them, the way that they may be stolen or taken or even used in the future is going to be interesting, because now policing this artwork is going to be challenging. You're going to have people, it's going to be an arms race essentially, where you have some people developing technology that can take other people's artwork and use it in new ways, like this new application lens.ai, where they take images from around the web and can change them, but put your face into them and make them unique pieces of art. And it's fascinating technology. I was looking at some of the avatars they built, even just of me when I used the app. It was mind-blowing. So there is so much going on right now, but there's a lot of people up in arms about that, saying, hey, they're stealing people's work, they're stealing creators' work, repurposing it, maybe arguably is it derivative work, we don't know. These are things that are going to have to be fleshed out in the years to come. But the reality is this is happening. And if you're a creator, if you're an artist, you're a coder, if you're anyone who's developing IP, who's creating IP that could be stolen, you got to recognize that this is the reality, this is the future, and you've got to also now double down on your skills. You got to double down on what you're doing, what makes you unique, what makes you indispensable to your clients, to people around the world. And I truly believe that these tools will be used to support artists, to support creators in what they're doing. They'll make your job a lot easier, and I think taking that first step a lot faster than it maybe took a few years ago. It may displace some workers because now some people who are writing SEO, writing content may not be needed as much because now this application can do it. But that's the nature of the economy. It is creative destruction as we know it, and these things will constantly be evolving. But as a lawyer looking at the space, I think it's very exciting, very interesting, a little bit scary, because who knows how it's going to affect everyone's jobs, everyone's lives going forward. But I think this is a pivotal time in society. This is a pivotal time in our world where now we have AI that is now hitting the masses, that is so usable, that is going to disrupt so many different industries that people can build on. This is just the beginning. I think like blockchain, like other things, this is the next iteration. This is the next step. And just using it today, I think everyone should take a look, should get involved. Don't just pass it by, because this is not going to be something that is a fad. This is going to be something here to stay, and we're going to have to understand the ramifications in the years to come. Good luck, have fun. And my name is Pankaj, Raval, Carbon Law Group, and we'd love to support you in your entrepreneurial endeavors.